Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.
Yeah, it's been a while tangu ni post. So guys, today, Leo, I'm going to do a house tour, my bedsitter house tour, and I'm going to show you step by step how my bedsitter looks. Aina vitu mingi, so expect some. Anyways, I'm going to show you my bedsitter and how it looks. So I hope you enjoy this video. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, please subscribe, hit the notification button, share, comments, and yeah, let's start the house tour. So guys, before you enter the house, kuna ututu stairs tuwili. Mnaona venye kuko green au green venye kunakaa green uko nje. Then this is my door, and then at the door kuna the lighting is not lighting. Kuna hizi ni curtains. There's this curtain. This one I got from Think Twice. It's a very beautiful curtain. I don't know venye mtaiona, but it's a really beautiful curtain. I'll take a video from outside nikiingia kwa nyumba venye inakaa. And then kuna these other curtains. This one ilienda kwa Re huku Ronga, if you know it. Nikabai huko. Yeah, those ones. And then kuna haka kabaka, kuna something hapo. And then there's this shoe. Siachangi viatu zangu nje, so kuna hiyo. That's how it looks. Let me show you the video from outside.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the...
And then after the door, we come to my sitting area. So this is my TV stand over here. Yeah, vitu hazijaarrangewa poa, but that's my TV stand. Hapo chini kuna vitu za kushona shona hivi. Kuna my novel, sticky notes, alafu kuna hiyo. Kuna hizo. Then here it's where I put my vitu zenye najipaka, my small makeup things hapa. Yeah. And here kuna these sunglasses, power bank, other makeup things hapa, tuchupa. There's this knee hapo. And then up here, aka kametoka. It's one of the decorations kametoka. And then there's this Bluetooth speaker. Sijanunua speaker yet. So this Bluetooth, I use it kusikiza ngoma. Then there's this TV. I use it rarely, but I do use it anyways. Aka, this one is from my knee. Is it her nini? It was from my key holder, then ikatoka, so nikaona acha tu niweke hapo. And then there's these remotes. Yeah. My Wi-Fi. And then, guys, this is my work. I did this decor. Let me call it Tivoto. I did this one. I do crochet. You can look for me a crochet for you, anything that you want. I do crocheting. So this one I made it myself. Then there's more decoration here. Yeah. Then, yeah. Let me show you a video of that place.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies.
So there's this carpet. I bought it from a place in Rongai, a second-hand place, but it was new, and I bought it at 2,200. And then kuna hii meza, it's from my friend. There's my laptop here. Kitanda sijui nafanya nini hapo, but it's there. And then kuna hizi books. I'm going to do something. That's when nimeziweka hapo. There's my socket there. And then there's this seat. Hey guys, at last I have a seat. Even if it's a two-seater, I have a seat at last. That's how my seat looks like. Msimendi kwa kwingine nitaonyesha kwa kwenye kunakaa. So that's how my seat looks like. Then there's that blanket. It's from nilichukua kwa mom. Nilienda home nikachukua tu blanket. Your blanket, it's It's a good blanket, by the way. Yeah, that's all.
Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.
Okay, after that we come to my bedroom area. So yeah, it's where I sleep, where I dress on, and yeah, and those things. So guys, this is my bed over here. That's how my bed looks like. Yeah, that's my bed, guys. And inakaa hivyo. I've straightened my bed, I've tried. There's that inakaa hivyo. And then I'm going to add on these. Look at this. Look at those. Look at those. I'm going to add them because I want more. My phone is not doing well. And that my wall looks bad that anyways. So that's how my bed looks like, and my ukuta venye inakaa. Yeah. And then immediately after the bed, we come to my closet, portable closet. That's how it looks like. Then imeraruka. I'm thinking of changing it because sijui kama naweza pata cover. If I can get the cover and you know where I can get it, just tell me. So here are my clothes. You see venye zinakaa. There's hapa nimeweka ma sweaters, trousers, nini. You can just skirts. That's how it looks like. And then after it, since this my closet ilianza kuanguka cause iko na manguo mob, I had to put some in my bags. That's why my bags ziko hapa. They have some of the clothes. Yeah, so that's how my bedroom area looks like. And then I'm thinking of buying a mat over here, but anyways, forget about it. Let's go to the next place. And so when we're through with the sitting area and the bedroom area, the immediate thing is the bathroom stroke toilet. So hapa kuna switches mbili ya shower and the switch to the bathroom, and that's how my bathroom inakaa. Oh, before the bathroom kuna haka kamati nimeweka hapa, kalikuwa kwa mlango but I changed it to here. I think it looks better here. There's this mat, kuna karag ndo maji sitoke nje. Anyways, there's this bucket in the bathroom, and my bathroom inakaa hivyo, hakuna vitu mingi vile. I hope mnaona vizuri. Ako ka kitu it had a air freshener fulani and I didn't remove it after, but I'll remove it anyways. So that's how my bathroom looks like. Yeah, that's how my bathroom looks like. And then after the bathroom, we have this sink over here. Kuna haka sink over here, and it has my hand wash. Sijui what's that na sijui nafanya nini hapo. Anyways, iko hapo. And then after the chini ya sink, there's this, kuna ututu viatu, kuna this bucket of, kuna hizo, anyway, sina place ingine ya kuzieka, so nilizieka hapo. Kuna hii bucket ya kuosha nyumba, then there's this mob, bucket ya mob, then there's a mob, then there's this laundry basket. I hope nimeita vizuri, laundry basket. And then there's this small mirror. I need a bigger mirror anyways. I need a bigger mirror to slay on. So there's this small mirror. I'm manifesting to change this house. I'm manifesting on that. And there's, yeah. Nilikuwa niongee vitu hazi make sense. Anyways, yeah, that's how it looks. So immediately after my basket laundry, there's a shoe rack over here. My shoe rack. There's these bags over here. I love this bag. Kwanza it's this fluffy thing over here. And then more bags, albums. These are the toothbrushes and my toothpaste. So this album, so this is me over here when I was small. So this is my mom in the hospital, akizaa my small sister, my younger sister. So my top of the shoe rack inakaa, this one is from mom, alinipea. And then hapa juu kuna boots. That's my shurak. Boots hapo. Kuna heels. I love these heels. Have always wanted them. So there's those high heels, not boots, sorry. And then kuna sneakers hapo. There's more. And then if you've noticed, my shoe rack is kind of small, I think, because nimeekalanisha vitu, but I'm working with that right now. And then after the shoe rack, there's this drum. Huku maji upotea sometimes, but of late haijakuwa ikipotea. This drum, it has water, then juu yake kuna hiyo jug. The drum, it's to ni ya kuweka maji. Kizungu imepotea. Ni ya kuweka maji when maji haiko. And then after this area, now we come to my kitchen area. So when you enter the kitchen, there's this mat. Hii mat naonanga inakaa hapo. So I've always nimekuwa nikiweka tu place kuna kitchen, so it's there. And then on this side, we're going to start on this side. On this side, there's this broom, my bin, my ikisinaitangaje, sikumbuki jina hii ya kuchukua uchafu. There's my small rag ya kupanguza vitu, that's why iko hapo. Then kuna hapa place naekanga ma vyombo after zimekauka, so there's vyombo hapo, my okay. And then easy that one is the box of the TV and there's ring light ndani yake. So niliona sina place ingine ya kuweka, so nikaziweka hapo. That it has some bottles. And then after that we come hapa juu. This one it's for kupanguza the vyombo after nimeosha na nataka kuitumia immediately. Napanguza, natumia. And then there's this pan. Acha niwape story. There's this small pan. My mom bought me this small pan. Na kaniambia I'm going to stay in the house alone with I had a roommate then. With my roommate, so kupikia yai moja, that's enough. That's why I was bought that small. Kichupa sijui mbona inafanya hapo, but okay, hapa ndo naekanga vyombo after nimeosha. Those are my spoons, my plastic spoons. Kuna vyombo. That's my kabesheni fulani natumianga kuosha. Then there's this window that brings lighting. Actually, in this house, in my kitchen kuna lighting most. If you go to my TikToks, I shoot most of the TikTok in the kitchen because kuna lighting, a good lighting. This is my sink. This is my kakitamba kakushika vitu nikipika. Then hapa ndo naekanga maji ya kunywa. And then there's this jug ya kuchemsha maji. And then chini yake, there's this extra paper bags. Nimeziweka hapo. Then there's this holder. Hapa juu naekanga my spices. Chini, hizi siekangi hapo, but nimeziweka hapo. Hapo naekanga nyanya na vitunguu na hapa waru. And since I haven't gone shopping of those things, iko hivyo empty. I'll go shopping anyways. Okay, hapa juu kuna my food stuffs. Kuna sukari, unga, mchele, unga ya ngano. Then huko juu there's that dish. Hiyo dish nilichukua home. And then there's those tissue. Hapo naekanga shopping yenye sijeka place ingine. And then huko juu I used that space to kuweka extra boxes because sina place ingine ya kuziweka. And then kuna hapa ndo naekanga sufuria zikikauka. And then this is kuna hiyo. Then there is this mafuta. Hiyo chupa ni ile ya soda. And then after that we come here to my gas. Hii ni food ya jana yenye nilipika. So there's this gas. Hii ni food yenye nilipika. My meko gas. Chini yake nimeweka hiyo paper kuzuia kuharibu the tiles. And then kuna socket ya light ya kitchen. Yeah, that's all about my kitchen, my beautiful kitchen. Let me show you a video of it.
There's so many things that I keep in my mind, like a past. There's a reason why all the emotions I built up inside you.
outfit, even though nilikuwa nimevaa nikuwafanyia that video. And then I'm through with my Bedsitter Tour. Yeah. Anyway, I'm through with my tour. Thank you for watching this video from the start of the video to the end of the video. And thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the notification button, subscribe and share and comment. Guys, I love you so much for supporting me. And yeah, hivyo sina story ingine. Guys, I love you so much. You can reach me through my TikTok, prettykate_. There is my Instagram, prettykate_. Yeah, you can reach me there. And if you want anything, but guys, thank you so much. I love you guys, so bye.